Hi, this is Ishwar, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create an amazing website mostly with AI using the website www.unsolved.network. Yes, that's the URL that you need to visit. So visit that. I'm going to share my screen and show you what you need to do next. Okay, so here we are. This is Unsolved Network, where you're going to use AI to start online coaching and build that amazing website. The first thing that you need to do is there's a big yellow button here. You just need to click that. Then it's going to ask you for some details like your name, your email, your phone number, and of course your expertise. This expertise needs to be that single line expertise, that one-liner that you have built, your irresistible one-liner. That's the one-liner that you're putting. The maximum length of this expertise can be about 140 characters. So make sure you measure the number of characters in your one-liner before you enter it here. Just in the interest of time, I've already done that. I've taken an example of Sapna who helps moms transform their bodies without crash diets using a sculpt and shape method. Now, once you take this, all you need to do is hit create coaching site. There's really nothing else that you need to do. The second you do this, it will start generating your membership site with AI, right? So it starts generating your membership site with AI. Now you need to move this forward. Once you use that one-liner, it will start building a beautiful membership site for you. Just again, in the interest of time, I've already generated this and kind of kept this ready. And this is exactly what AI would generate, right? So you would actually see a mask like this for yourself. It'll generate content for you, right? What should your profile be? What should your success stories look like? What should your why learn this be? So it'll generate all of these sections exactly like how AI thinks you should have it on your website. And once you have this, it will also have generated the what you will learn section. It will have generated membership benefits. You'll have a couple of membership plans already live where it will tell you what can be done. But this is actually version 1. Like whatever you see here is version 1 of your amazing website. We're going to try and see how to make it even better. Like for example, a simple hack that you would want to do, right? A simple hack that you would want to do is just change this image, right? This image can be changed. You can put something like this so your website can look slightly more professional with your image, etc. Right? So this is probably like a first step. But before I tell you exactly how to edit, etc., what I want to let you know is that your website has a complete section for tutorials, right? The website that you've just generated, you just have to click on settings, the settings icon on the top right. I don't know whether I showed you that, so I'm just going back there. But there's a settings icon on the top right, click that, then head over to tutorials. These are your tutorials for everything: how to edit, how to use, how to connect, how to get paid, how to track your payments, how to organize your content, how to add a recorded course, how to assign role. Everything is already available here. You just need to go in one by one, complete those videos, and you are kind of good, right? But of course, jumping back, our objective here is not just to have a basic website like this, but let's say level up by adding an image. Or let me show you some examples of better what is possible with your website, right? So this, instead of an image, you can also have a video of yourself right here talking on the landing page, right? And as you scroll down, you would have found, right, that there are some images like for your what you will learn section. You see these images, these are all default generated by AI, but you can actually make even better images for yourself. So you don't have to just rely on these images. You can build even better images for yourself. For example, when you head over here on the membership collective, all of these that you see are still AI generated, but we did a few more steps, right, to get a better image out, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that yourself. Apart from this, there are other things that you can do. All of the images that you see here are static images. That means they don't really move around. But if you want, you can have moving images. Again, I'll show you how these can be built with AI as well, right? So all of these are all AI generated. Every single image that you see here is AI generated. These GIFs are AI generated. And all of this just helps you become a little more professional in your approach for having a great website. You don't need a designer to do any of these components. You can do it yourself. Right? Apart from this, you can also do other things like the default membership plans that you see over here just have gold and platinum. As you move along, you can even update those to actually have a video of yourself speaking about it, right? So you can create a video, you can talk about what's in silver, what's in platinum, etc., and just get moving that way. And now I'm going to show you one more thing. There's another way to handle your website. You can have what I call as a previewable website, right? So you have already some content. If you already have content, you already have a course, and you want to give people a preview before they sign up, you can activate a preview. The preview basically takes you down, and all of these videos can now show up on your website, right? So these are just ways and things that you can do with your website. I'm first showing you what is possible. You can put in testimonial videos on your website. You can do all of those amazing things, fairly simple to kind of get done, right? So we are going to take some very simple steps, okay, to kind of elevate the website that is being created. First things first is you have to add a profile image of yours. How to do that is there in tutorials. What I'm going to guide you is beyond that, right? I mean, like, how do you actually go and make a nice profile image, right? So simple, you need to visit this website called pfpmaker.com, pfpmaker.com, and then just go here and upload a nice straight shot of you, something that's taken with the portrait shot of your mobile phone as well works. Make sure you've had adequate lighting when you're taking the original photograph. Once you have that, it will actually take that and convert it into amazing backgrounds, like a zillion backgrounds, right? You can pick whichever background is really working for you and take that image and then of course move forward with it. So if you like this, just download this and upload it there. That's it, right? So you've gotten your profile pic already. Now, once you've gotten your profile pic already, as I said, objective is not here to show you how to handle the website. That you can get by heading over to settings, tutorials. There's an entire video on how to edit the landing page. So please do that. I'm trying to show you a few more hacks and tricks beyond that. The next hack or trick that I would like to show you is this section for what you will learn. Like right now, you're seeing these images which are default. Some of them may have been generated for you. You're just trying to elevate this. So what are you going to do to elevate this? All you're going to do is kind of copy this image, right? So you're going to copy this image and then you're going to head over to this website, designer.microsoft.com/design. It might ask you to log in. Make sure you log in. Once you have logged in, it will show you an interface like this, right? So this will be the interface that you will see. This is not with the text. You will see something like this. Please make sure you go to designer.microsoft.com/design, because if you just go to .com, it will give you 100 options. I'm trying to just pick the right option for you. Of course, if you want to explore it later, please go ahead and explore it later. It'll help you generate all sorts of images with AI. But now, all you're trying to do is write the text like this, create a horizontal image for the text, and then take the text from the website and just paste it here, right? So just paste it in this section. The second you paste this and you hit generate, it will generate multiple options for you. I've already done this and kept this ready just in the interest of time, right? So all of these images are generated by AI. None of these have been designed by me. Right, I'm just looking at it and saying, oh, which one do I like? Now, the kinds of images that you will have are two types. So one is a simple single image. For this, you just click on it and either you download or you customize the design, one of these two options. So if you like it, you just click download and then download as a PNG, right? So that is recommended even by them, recommended by us as well, right? So download a PNG format. The second you have this, the next thing is, this is another format as well, right? So it actually gives you a way to generate video images. And of course, if you didn't like any of these, you can hit generate again. It will give you a completely fresh set. Or if you want to edit this, you can customize design, and then if you have some designing skills, you can go and check it out. If you have done some Canva, etc., it should be kind of straightforward for you. If you have not, just rely on these AI generated images. It gets you up and off the ground really efficiently. Now all you're doing is you're heading over here, you're heading over to settings, you're heading over to the landing page, the home page, and now you're going to that section, what will you learn, right? And then you're saying, hey, listen, I want to edit this image, put a different one instead. So you go to your downloads and then upload that image, right? So you've updated this, The second thing that you're doing is, of course, you can head over, you can update your profile as well. But I'm just quickly showing you how it looks after that, right? So these are the images that AI generates by default. Then when you use these additional proper designer tools, right, you will get an image something like this, which looks better, says it better, right? It does that job. This is a GIF that has been generated from the same website. I didn't show you this process, but it's the same website. It's actually done the exact same thing. All of these small things can really elevate your website to the next level. Of course, you can do harder things like actually recording a video of yourself to put up on the front page, right? So you can do a video over here of yourself. You can do videos for your membership plans. All of these are very possible, but these are slightly harder tasks which you need to do yourself. What I've been trying to show you is how you can get off the ground with AI, having a very, very professionally done website all by yourself. You don't need a designer, you don't need a copywriter, you don't need to code, you don't need anything. You can do this yourself. So all you need to do is just spend, let's say, the next 20-30 minutes and just kind of spruce up your website, make it look slightly better, and that's it. You'll feel a lot more confident that you have a website that's good to go. So that's it from me. Here's to wishing you an amazing website, an amazing building journey. This is just the start. It's just going to get more and more awesome right as we move along.